Hi and welcome. My name is Becky House and I work for American Financial Solutions, a nonprofit division of North Seattle Community College Foundation. Today we're covering how to unlock a better credit score and providing 10 insider tips that you need to know. So let's get started. Your credit score is a key factor in your financial health, influencing your ability to get loans, rent an apartment or a house, or even secure a job. So if you need to work on improving your score, knowing what impacts it can help you take the right next steps. And sometimes the improvement happens faster than you'd expect. I want to briefly mention the primary factors that influence a credit score, and then we'll move on to our 10 tips. So credit scores typically range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. The five main factors that determine your score are your payment history. So paying bills on time is the most important factor. Late or missed payments can significantly lower a score, but making on-time consistent payments is really helpful. Credit utilization. This refers to how much of your available credit you're using. So keeping balances low, preferably below 30% of your limit, helps to improve your score. Then your length of your credit history. So the longer your accounts have been open, the better. Lenders like to see a history of responsible credit use. And then our next category, credit mix. So having a mix of different types of credit, like credit cards or loans, can really be beneficial. And then finally, new credit inquiries. So opening or applying for multiple new accounts in a short period can hurt your score as it suggests financial instability. Now, if your score isn't where you want it to be, don't worry. There are both traditional and lesser known strategies that you can use to boost it. So let's take a look at those. Number one, request a credit limit increase. Ask your credit card issuer for a higher limit, but don't increase your spending. A higher limit lowers your credit utilization ratio, which can give your score a boost. Number two, become an authorized user. A trusted family member with good credit can add you as an authorized user on their credit card. This positive payment history can help increase your score even if you don't use the card. Number three, use a rent reporting service. Your rent payments don't automatically count towards credit, but they can. Services like RentTrack, Level Credit, and Experian Boost report rent payments to the credit bureaus, which may help build credit history. Number four, pay twice a month. Instead of making one large payment, split it into two smaller payments each month. This keeps your balance lower throughout the month and improves your credit utilization ratio. Number five, dispute errors on your credit report. A simple mistake like an incorrect late payment could be hurting your score. So check your credit report regularly and dispute any inaccuracies to correct errors that might be holding you back. Number six, consider a service like Experian Boost for a score improvement. These tools let you add utility, phone, and streaming service payments like Netflix or Hulu to your credit report, giving you a boost. Typically, the results of these services are small, like 10 to 20 points, and they only impact the credit score with the credit reporting agency they're being reported to. It may not influence the score you see when you apply for credit. However, some of these services have relationships with lenders who will use this quote unquote boosted score. Number seven, open a credit builder loan. Some credit unions, online lenders, and American Financial Solutions offer credit builder loans where your payments are reported to the credit bureaus. This can be a great way to build or rebuild credit. Number eight, pay off small balances across multiple cards. So if you have small balances on multiple credit cards, pay them off instead of carrying them over from month to month. Lenders look at how many accounts have balances, not just the total debt. Number nine, ask for a goodwill adjustment. If you have a single late payment on an otherwise good account, call your lender and ask for a goodwill adjustment. If you have a strong history, they may remove that late payment. And number 10, work with a financial coach or counselor. Improving your credit can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. A financial coach or a financial counselor can help you to understand your credit report, develop a personalized debt repayment strategy, and build habits that help improve your financial health. Take control of your financial future. Improving your credit score does take time, but with the right steps and the right support, you can take charge of your financial future. If you're ready to get started, you can reach out to one of our financial counselors today.